How to add a watermark on Capcut in PC. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can add a watermark on Capcut in your PC or Mac. You can follow the same process for both. So first you have to open your Capcut app, and then you have to import any video that you were working on, the project that you were working on. And then you have to click this text option and choose it over here, and then you simply have to click this plus sign and add the watermark wherever you want it to be. And now you can just choose over here any text. I'm just going to write watermark. You can add any watermark that you want, and then you can choose the font for your watermark by clicking this font option over here, and you simply have to choose any watermark option that you want. I'm going to go with this Arial black. And then you have to scroll down a bit until you see the option of opacity over here. And once you see the opacity option, you have to just drag it to the left side, and you can choose the opacity that you want of your watermark. And once done with the opacity, you have to just leave it over here. And now you can reposition this by dragging your watermark. You can place it in the center over here, or you can just resize it and move it to the bottom. And that's a process that you can follow to add a watermark on Capcut on PC. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.